I'm going to show you how to make the easiest Chinese stir-fry noodles, 豉油皇炒面. Cut 2 onions into chunks. Cut 2 ounces of spring onion into sections. Put the white part with the onion. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. For the seasoning sauce, use 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for a nice color. Both are salty. Add the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Combine. For this dish, I like to use thin dehydrated noodles, but any type of noodle will work as well. Cook 12 ounces in boiling water. The cooking time is indicated on the packaging. For these very thin noodles, as soon as I can untangle them, here, after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, drain them. Preheat the pan over high heat. When it is hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. As soon as the garlic starts to be golden, add the onions. Stir for 30 seconds. Keep aside. Still in the same pan, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Put the noodles. Spread them well. Let them grill over low heat for 5 minutes. Halfway through cooking, shake them a little. After these 5 minutes, put over the noodles 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Flip them over and let them grill for another 5 minutes. Then add the onions and garlic and the seasoning sauce. Turn to high heat, stir for 2 minutes. The noodles will be coated in sauce while keeping an al dente texture, as they have been previously grilled over low heat. Put 2 ounces of bean sprouts and the green part of the spring onions. Stir for 30 seconds. The chow mein are ready. Bon appétit! You can eat these noodles plain or enjoy them with meat. With this cooking technique, the noodles have a good texture, they are not soft, and they'll have a very good taste. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.